Turn off the power before installing the steering wheel. Turn off the power. First, remove the airbag cover of the original steering wheel. There are 2 holes on both sides. Insert it. The retaining ring will pop open. After disassembling the airbag, unplug this wire. Pay attention to both wires and unplug them both. If not, if you unscrew the screw, it will tear the screw. It will be pulled out. You need to use this tool. Press both sides and it will come off. Use this tool to unscrew the middle screw. Then the steering wheel can be removed. The disassembly is done. You must pay attention. The 2 wires must be unplugged during the disassembly, otherwise it will be torn here. Don't touch this place after removing it. After removing the original steering wheel, fix it with tape. Don't touch it. Don't touch it. Now proceed to remove the original steering wheel. Use a screwdriver to remove 3 screws. These screws should also be removed. Remove all the screws on the back of the steering wheel. Use a pry bar to pry it open. When removing it, pay attention to valve clips. Finally, remove this button. Then remove the buttons of the original steering wheel. Now remove the screw buttons. Just squeeze both sides and it will come out. We have removed all the buttons. Here are all the accessories removed from the steering wheel of the original car. This is our new white Juniper 3.0 steering wheel. Look at its accessories and steering wheel. There is our logo on the back of the steering wheel. Please look for VJOYCAR. There is our logo at the bottom. Then look at the surroundings of the steering wheel. Now install the accessories of the original car steering wheel on the new white Juniper 3.0. Install the bag.
Fix the screw left and right first.
Face screws per side. After the screws are screwed on, do not fix them all first. Do not tighten. To check if there are any gaps on both sides. If there is a gap, it can be adjusted. After adjustment, tighten and fix it. Okay, now we're going to install the bottom case of this steering wheel. This original car is unnecessary. Now we're going to install this back case. Adjust the gap. This part is original. Below are the accessories of our steering wheel. The bottom is just screws. Four screws at the bottom. 2 screws above. Install this cover after fixing it. This thread must be placed well. Cover. Tighten the screws. Below this accessory are some screws. In this way, we have installed the base. Cable pair. The wiring is lined up. There are face screws on it. Be sure to tighten it and screw it to the bottom. Tighten it. Tighten it and try again. Are the three positions the same height? If there is a lower one, you can loosen it a little bit and level it. Screw it to the end. Finally, plug in this wire. First, let's try it. then it's okay. This is after we assembled the accessories of the original car. No Juniper 3.0 steering wheel overall effect. Installation of airbag cover. Airbag tab open. Put this all up. Just pry it until it can be opened. If you can't open it, you need to pry it a little more. Plug it with film or something. You'll better find some cards or iron sheet. It's taken apart. That's it. Press well. Just press the iron sheet down. Flatten it and press it against it. Close the lid. No IE6 Juniper 3.0 steering wheel and install it. Align it, lock the middle screw. Let's try the function of the test drive button. Test the driving button function. This is our air valve cover on the car.